Hello everyone, this is Max from Developer Websites, and this channel is about tutorials for website owners and for beginner developers. If you have some issues or specific requests, feel free to contact me by comments under this video or by email, which you can find in the description area under this video. Okay, in this video I want to show you how to create the Shopify website. It will be step-by-step video, which will include a lot of videos actually, and I will start to explain you how to work with different free Shopify themes from beginning to launch of your Shopify website. So you can do it by your own without developer. Okay, so let's begin. Don't forget to subscribe, and if this video was helpful for you, you can find some donation link under this video. Okay, I created Shopify account and we have here by default the theme. This is your Shopify admin, and let's go to online store and we can see here some themes. By default, our theme is down. And there are some other free themes. I will check them in other videos, but right now I will check how to create your store with down. And basically you should click customize it, and here it is. You can check how the down theme looks like by default. This features is pretty enough to launch your basically store. And if you're new to this business, you don't actually need these fancy looking stores. You can create the store with free theme and launch to test your niche. If you need some help, feel free to contact me. Okay, once we click customize, we see here some sidebar with all settings. Okay, here is the sidebar. Here is the gear. If you will click on it, there are theme settings, which we can see here. You can change logo, colors, typography, layout, etc, etc, etc. Okay, so and here is some apps. We will not learn about apps here. We will go through all basic settings. So here is the theme settings, here is the page settings, and on the top there is all pages you have, and you can go on move. And here you can check the responsiveness of your website, which looks like nice by default. You see, you even don't need to do responsive. So let's check on this video how to work with header. Header has by default two sections. First, announcement bar and actually header. Here you can see the header. Header is default global things which will appear the same on each page. So you can add here some sections, custom liquid, but we will not use it. It's for custom code. Okay, here is the announcement bar. To edit it, you can click on it and select the bar. You can change here the text. So welcome, hello, and text will appear. If you want to add some link, just add it right here, like copy, paste, and click on it. Okay, it works. I don't want the announcement bar appear, so I want to hide it. To hide it, I just click on this. Okay, bar not appear anymore. Now let's go to header. Header has some options, but actually it is no. So let's click on the header and see settings which we have here. You can change the logo position from top left, from top center, middle left, and middle center. I like middle center or middle left, which appear pretty standard for website. My advice for you is don't create any creative design ideas, because the more standard website you have, the more understandable for users it will be. Okay, here you can change the mobile logo position. So if we will go to mobile settings, we can change mobile on the left and mobile to the center. I like to the center. Now the menu by default connected to the right place. About menu I will talk in another video. Menu type drop down, mega menu, draw. I use drop down. For basic websites it's enough. Mega menu will create more issues for you. If you need mega menu, of course go for it. Sticky header. So if you will select no, it's not sticky. If we will select on scroll up, so when I scroll up, header appear, you see. If I will go always, it will always appear. And always, but reduce logo size. It will make header smaller. So basically it's not making it, but because the logo is not image. But if you have logo, it should become smaller. I like the unscroll up. So we go like this, okay? Separator line. Let's check what it does. Here on the bottom, there is, it's blue, but so let's check it here. Okay, sorry, I missed. Okay, let's go back to header. A separator line is small line on the bottom of the header. You don't see it because it's blue right now. Okay, let's try to find out it. Okay, I can show it, but it's small line. So let's just disable it. Color scheme. The color is another settings which I will talk about in other video. This will be video series. Menu color scheme I will explain too. And utilities. So basically country region selector. If you sell only locally, disable this. Language selector. If you sell only in one country, disable it. Customer account avatar. This avatar. If you want your customers to have your basic account for your website, store account, keep it. If you don't want, just disable it. Disable. If you will disable it, it will. Okay. The less feature you have, the easier will be to manage website. The less spaces to make a mistake. So if you don't need it, just disable it. Okay, so here we can adjust the margin for our header. Okay, bottom margin, we see space below, keep it 0, I will keep, and padding on the top and on the bottom. Okay, we see our header becomes much smaller, but I pretty love 20 pixels. So let's go for it. Looks really stylish. Okay, if you will click theme settings, there will be theme settings related to this section. So if you don't want all these links, just don't use it. It's dummy text, it's not here. The logo, we can select the logo for our header in this section. Let's use my brand logo, and it's processing. Okay, let's put it right here, and here we have logo. By the way, right now we can see the always but reduce logo. Let's check how you see logo becomes smaller. So, but I like on scroll up. This logo doesn't really work here, so it's nice to use the horizontal logo, not square and not vertical, because it will make your header huge like this. It doesn't really work. I can adjust a height for width for logo here, and I can adjust vertical offset, and basically it will not really help because I will do 40 pixels and it will be still huge. Yeah, it doesn't really work. So I will delete my logo. Let's click on it. I forgot where to delete it. Okay, change and remove. Sorry. Because you need to use some horizontal logo. Okay. There is custom CSS. If you don't know what is it, you don't need to use it. And this all settings we have for down theme. If you need something custom, you need to contact me and I will create it for you with custom coding. If you don't need anything custom, you can use how it is, which looks pretty nice for basic website. If this video was helpful for you, feel free to leave me some donations. If you don't want to donate, you can buy something from my affiliate links in the description under this video. And if you have some questions or issues or requests, feel free to contact me by comments under this video or by email under this video. Okay, that's all for header. I will create the other settings video in the another video, right? So keep tuned. Thank you.